Capture a perfect portrait or landscape, but the sky seems to be flawed or too ordinary. Let's add some drama to your photos by replacing the sky. Here in this video, we will show you 3 ways to change the sky in a photo with or without using Photoshop. If you have installed Photoshop, with Adobe Sensei, the sky replacement in Photoshop becomes extremely easy and can perfectly match with your photo. Import the photo to the app, then go to Edit, Sky Replacement. There are a lot of sky templates to choose from. You can select and preview the result. Once you change the sky, you can customize by moving these sliders until you are happy with the result. Then click OK. And don't forget to save the photo. If you want to replace sky in a photo without Photoshop, there is also an easy way for you. With Luminar Neo, an AI-powered photo editing tool for easy photo enhancement, you will be able to change the sky in your photos super easily. After opening the photo in this app, go to Edit, choose Sky. There are a lot of skies to choose from. You can pick and preview the result. Or you can add your own sky, even get more from the marketplace. After choosing the sky, you can also adjust sky orientation, refinement, reflection, and so on by just moving the sliders. Lastly, you can export the photo in a preferred format. If you don't have any plans to pay for photo editor at this moment, here is an online free tool you should try to do the sky replacement. It is Snap Edit. However, it adds a watermark to your photos. Upload your image. Then choose a sky template. Once ready, click Download button. And you will find a watermark on the photo.